Hey up guys, right, so we've got a Cleverspa in which is not heating up. Now the customer's reported that they've changed the heating element and swapped that out and it's still not heating. So what that tells me is that the water pressure sensor has failed, which is this here. So essentially what this does, this is an open circuit. So once this senses water, it will put pressure into here and it will close the circuit, which then sends the current through these pins to the heater. So when there's no water, it's an open circuit, so it cuts the power to the heater element with no water in the system. Fill with water, pushes pressure into here, closes the circuit and allows your current to go through the heating element. Now, because there's a little switch in here, if you second blow onto there, you'll hear it click, and that's essentially opening and closing the circuit. So obviously that function, movement, will fail over time. Some of these Cleverspa parts are hit and miss, some are good, some are bad. I'll link below to this part on my website if you need this. So we're just going to take this top cover off and expose the heating element, and we'll take out the reservoir which this is attached to and just swap this out. Right guys, so there's the reservoir out, so we've just undo that screw here and then that pops out. So on your reservoir, the heating element's inside here. There's a thermal cut switch there. When that reaches a certain temperature, around 50 degrees, that should cut the power also as a safety measure. These don't always work. I mean, your water pressure sensors there. So what you can do just to test that, so this should be an open circuit at the moment because there's no water in the reservoir. So just get yourself, if you've got one, a multimeter. Set that to continuity test, and then just test these two terminals, and make sure if it's not beeping, then you know that's an open circuit. But what you can do is when you filled it with water, obviously don't switch nothing on, don't put no power through the unit because you don't need to. When you fill it with water and you test for continuity, when there's water in here, you should be getting a signal of continuity through these two terminals. If you're not, then this is obviously faulty. Alright, so we'll just swap that. Don't forget guys, I'll link below to the water pressure sensor on the website. Also for your puncture repair kits guys, on the website LayZrepair.co.uk as well, I'll link below to the best puncture repair kits on the market. Don't forget guys, if you buy one of these kits, you've got access to me as well. For any advice, and buy any parts on my website, you get access to me for advice on an installation, punch repairs, your air tunnel repairs, everything like that. So what we'll do when I do this as well, we'll be replacing the temperature probe as well. Always a good practice because they're quite a faulty part on these. You can see there on that one it's starting to degrade, so that's water ingressing into your temperature sensor there, so that will foul over a short period of time. So what's happening there is the water's ingressing into that probe, and when you're getting your SH in the HO and your HO and SL error codes, it's because more often than not water's ingressing there and short circuiting this probe. Right, so what I've done is replace the temperature probe. Right, so I've replaced the temperature probe, which we're using this screw. Just undo them two screws, take the circuit board out, and just replace like for like, and replace the temperature, the pressure switch. Now when you second blow on that one, you can hear it's not clicking, so it's a good sign that it's faulty. Again, a link below for replacement for that for you. So get this one going. So if the temperature goes up, so it's going up now, guys. So that's fixed. Link below, give us a thumbs up, comment below if this has worked for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers, bye bye.